Okay, I have a 2017 Ford F-150. What I did was I pulled the plastic, what do you call it? Not plastic, but rubber trim piece. Where the heck is it at? This sits up here. Pulled that out. I pulled this little lever. It pops out on an angle, so be careful, and pushed it back. I can't do all this, obviously, with one hand recording and one hand by itself, so I had to do this ahead of time. I pushed the two tabs in on the side to drop the box down. You just push them in, push it in, they drop down. And then you you have to remove this whole centerpiece to get to the cabin air filter in this truck. So now what you got to do is you have to carefully, very, very carefully pry underneath this wood trim piece and pop it out of there. It's got plastic clips all the way down. So you have to very carefully, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to, let me see. Maybe I can sit it right here. This is so frustrating because there's no good spot to put this phone. Hopefully this is going to be good enough. I'm going to set it right there. This thing is so hard to pull out of there, it's ridiculous. And you almost break it. And then right in here, there's a couple 7mm. So be careful which ones you grab, because there's two sets here. Let me grab this phone and show you. The light's not turning on my camera. There's one 7mm over here, and there's one 7mm right here. And then you got to grab this thing and kind of yank it out of there. You grab underneath here. Pull underneath here. Careful. Pull. There's a connector right here. You can just leave it hang. It's not too, see this, the wire's still kind of, it's really light. And then your cabin air filter is right back here. You can't see, but there's the tab on the side. I'll show you when I get the box out. There's a tab on this side, and then there's a tab on this side over here. It basically just unsnaps, folds out. Pull your filter out. See how nasty that is? And then make sure when you put the new one in, You put the new one in with the arrow. See, there's an arrow right here that says air down. You want the arrow facing into your box. And that's it. You snap it all together, put it back, you're done.